Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear interior door handle on this 2003 GMC Envoy XL. It's the same part and similar process on the regular Envoys from 2002 to 2009. And the items you'll need for this is a new interior door handle from 1AAuto.com, flat blade screwdriver, a 7 and 10mm socket and ratchet, and a putty knife. Start off by prying up this little cover with a flat blade screwdriver, and then remove those two 7mm bolts. Stick a putty knife behind the door panel and slide it down until you find the first clip, then pry out. Then reach in behind the door panel and just pull out around each clip. Once you remove each of those clips, you can pull the door handle back, and then just push this switch from underneath so it comes up and out, and then push the tab on the harness and disconnect it. And you could technically do this before removing the door panel, but you're more likely to scratch up your door panel if you do that. Remove this 10mm bolt. Slide the door handle forward and then pull it out, and then you want to just push this clip off this rod. And then lift the rod up and out of the hole, and then repeat that process with this lower one. And your door handle will pull free. Take your new door handle, starting with the lower rod, push it into that hole and then push the clip back onto it. Then take the top one and do the same thing. And push the door handle back into place and slide it back. And then just replace that 10mm bolt and tighten it up. To replace your door panel, take this small panel and push it back onto these studs. Then push the harness for that switch back up through the hole in the door panel. Line up the clips on the door panel, and once you have them all lined up, just hit them into place. Reconnect this switch and push it down into place, and then replace those two 7mm bolts and tighten them back up. Now just replace this small cover, and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.